Jahodivka, Sissy, Lewis. I was Alden and holding the button. I don't know. What's going on? About 2 young girls. Of moving and Haram, you need to do it. One brother I did was in those days. I knew what about that. They all passed on. COVID came out of the monkeys that were all much under the I don't know what to say. So many dog lady made on. Mvskoke language move. I'm be daggy. My the warm. Wagon in the stairs. So be the moon. So be the wake up to them. When one gets up to him, I asked those kids in. My grandson hung on lady. Tidak bunuh sempurna dua magi itu lesson. Tidak bunuh umaga gusto dulu. Kisah niya aja dulu lesson. Anda tidak bunuh kampunaya. Cukup tahu dulu malu. Tidak kibunuh kampunaya. Mahal na dulu ada tu he siapa na dulu tu he mulai gayo cincin tidak orang pun aja no mame pun ho man tidak orang pun aja sih no jadi semua itu mahal. Kung salah kaya rin, sistaya baho yun. Salah kaya rin. Isti yung mga maman, ulalyo, English, in seconds, umuna ho yun, mas mahakaso tayo. Tihat ko na kamo sa mong kunaya yung ado ay madalin man sala kayo abot man abo ka sa gibulong tihat ko na kamo simbol na yaga sala kaya tijari ko na kamo simbol na yaga di padam tihat ko na hadam simbol na yaga yung hadichi yajigil na zon nage maktok kita da kaya sa gibulong I mixed my language together when I got home. Mấy cô sức có cho cô mình không đi cho học tao được mà cho gì mấy cái gì chứ my church too mình cho các cabo cái gì luôn cả Sissy mandi mana bidon kamu ai bidon mana tu saya bidon andon mafra jadi bahagia bel jumpa noat aku bidon mat lo mamu target abi minister umumnya no present selega orang mamu saya bidon ga shortcut test kita kaya nung my brother itu aja, mana hui video mas, ibu waktu lagi parun doon mana video ya, mau abi video mas hokolit tak kali dulu, aku video mo Madala ho you do much. So you but it the work home so you do much. Well, I was telling you I went to church at Mvskoke Church. That's who I kind of grew up around. Always went there when the bell rang. We'd be up there, take a shortcut, go up there. More of that church or that either. Alam Sunday school o sinong magsusige kaya tamena hisa modernita catching po kami no church mak siguro with tamena kabani po libat siguro y'all haven't made the church kaya dito yung mas over man sa mo to ako magip over man man bobo itu mas man menang church sounds and so being gift like on guys project na project dua bisa dua nah tidak guna kata puna ya on guys uceja tinna reading Okonayaga. I have a book to watch some more this later in this. Did I go to Okonayago? Being glad they are.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Can you? I know you like to play stickball. You like to be active.
I still do.
I know. Wait, can you tell us a story about a fun experience or a memorable time when you were playing stickball, or how does that make you feel, or do you have a certain memory of a fun time playing stickball, or or just tell us how that makes you feel, or what that experience is like, if you can share that.
Where I go, we play every Sunday. To me, that somebody my age, that gives me exercise. Because you have to, get the ball before the man gets it, and they make so many points to win the men and women. This is the men and women's game.
Mm-hmm. Can you say that in the Mvskoke?
Huh?
Can you share that in the Mvskoke language?
Oh, we book it out, laddie. Onandagi. Don't him book it out, don't give you. Book a bit of quizzing. Wakay gano ko ile kasi doon manapali doon iganakis sinuwa at hanggat ke alam sispuhit law nuwa kokolin agasi tidak nan baho sisudeji nuwa manipuwi bilang daw. Mana ko yung paksanggi mo man. Oh, sandi ang gimana ko ang garo ka man. So, man. Ang salitan no kiyon doon ang isti mo yung bara di mo sin ato na. Muna. Tin mo bidang geji puirong ka ang ilon posat puirong. Mano ano geji puirong. Hangin po, kita dah Mvskoke sa baho and Mvskoke do it one game before the schools before we eat. Malo tagi o. Sogi o kulen hunan dagi o sogi o kulen tuang galen. Tagi di buhay ko ada esto. Umaga ni buhay sa mga 4 games sa kabo lagi pa sa. Anda dak kapaniha ay nung lesson. Kuda AJ nuat mamanita ko sa ay makpo yung higit ako la ko ra nung iga Halloween ng legit po yung ma usay jaka man ay makto yung and alam nisibang ka sa ng panakay so yung mau Buti mahal siya ba na dulu madarin. Jadi dan nak kau aku pun. Nak itu cramps, madan he hak ke beke. Parliament use it hak.
Where did you go to school at?
Huh?
Where did you go to school at?
Spalding down I went to Spalding first. Then when we moved to Mogi, my sister Chilako, I had much more. Lagi dah hidup no nak even sticky beho jido makta munahin. Muna tidak kaya esquecena ahui madarin. Jauh ke kali perlaluan lagi dah hidup mak cangga ke sana semua.
Were there other Mvskoke language speakers when you were going to school?
No, they were told to talk their own language. We was told. We knew now.
Really? Oh wow.
Because they didn't want us to lose our language because most of them did. We're not going to
COVID, within your words, how did COVID affect the Mvskoke Nation, or did it affect your family?
Well, manadut ka itong marunot mo. Mandara mo, malanadut. They did catch it a little bit more too much. That's out of that thought. Mandara do haram we had it. You wait to visit with us. You don't come to my house now. I'll tell you when to come. Let's go quarantine the house.
Growing up, studying panaga, madalo ko si panayan si yung
So, ayaw step punay mong ganun dasan. Tinikisa ki urun dun no about what.
Mahamadraga ay chinungan. Is that when you learn how to speak Mvskoke?
Ma, pauwi na kayo, mag-isip ko ay ano. Diyan ko na kapot mahayo mo ko na ito.
Can I ask you a question? What was the Mvskoke Nation like? What was when you were growing up? What was there like the tribal complex? What did the Mvskoke Nation do? What was it like then?
Well, just kidagi that man when they went there, they went to the post office. It was on the top of the, I guess it was the top one. When Joreen Coker, when Ozzy doon man, tayo fully, that's good, tayo daw fully doon.
I think that's where the Bureau of Indian Affairs was, up there on the second floor in the post office building. How important do you think that it is for the Mvskoke to learn the Stujati Wanana?
Well, I think it's really, they should, for me, I think they should all know. My kids, puna ho nagino, kiss the get on that, they can't answer back. Mm-hmm.
Did you go to the first Creek Nation festival? Did you ever go to the festivals?
Well, I went to, I think I just went to one.
Yeah.
How you do that? I'm too hot. Because, you know,
Still is.
they walk a lot.
Mm.
That's when I went, when my grandsons and them, they were playing there. We had Lady Legends even played in there. We played too. I played with them.
Yeah. Did you play softball?
Yeah, I played softball all the way through school. I took went to Oklahoma City and I took alternative player. I don't forgot what year that is. So what no guys I'll get burned.
That's showing our age, but I remember playing with you and Virginia Tony, Lula Mae Proctor, and all of them.
Mm-hmm.
Did y'all speak Mvskoke when y'all played ball?
Yeah, if they knew how, some of them. It's like you don't know what we did.
Would say, no, because. But if there's anything else you'd like to tell us that, you know, maybe your elders had told you that you would like for us or for the, you know, maybe the youth or somebody to know that we don't know when we were growing up. We'd like to hear some little stories, or maybe, you know, your parents told you not to do this when you grow up, or something like that.
Yeah, my mom and dad took us to Boogie of Mogi, well, Morse, my kids talking about that church. Not pull me that games, I had you up about it, do much, không biết gì đâu. Trong giọt một số gì đâu, tập về. Bow and arrow they shoot, easy enough. Cupcakes don't want to just get higher. He boy, me, that's how we do it. Like win. You know, they don't want to go outside. They want to stay in the house and stay on the phone. I told my kids when they are, y'all got it easier than we did. Church, but even we walk church more a whole year. Y'all got me the whole year. I'm school, because now I don't much school because it didn't our way. He don't know. Man, so he say don't much more. But so you go to go, y'all, I'll be he don't much more. Kan no haram gi kaya det hay wa le gaya man ma stepdaughter for that, the money and all that. It's a takabo, Pona, takabo, gigis, and Pokti, always love sick. Mucho, Okanaba, Hangi, Lady. Tiboy after the story of my Genji and garden. Man. Chahino Gasalaki. Not with Mama Pokti slap singers again. But Tiboy up to word is more number of power case. Case, yes, case. One of Black Panther do it. But the matter. Takamo wagi with Twitter. A book cut you at strong. It does. The only should actually do it all. And you what? You know, wild hogs get that much. Only them. In the country, when I'm lady, they go. You got me to know you would be.
Manhijit to doon.
Sebab kogi, hayat. Nak kong pidaw sa gibo, sebab kogi hagala ito sa kito po ang gari.
Pagtagi doon.
Abawat tak lagi doon, abawat po sa kusida. Kasi, hinag talo ko kan. Nilimahin, talo ko kan tapos ito sa kito. Mamon doon, ako doon edis ko doon. Pidogon lagi kong ba.
I'll shake you at it.
Ayaw alis ko na hagi doon. Ayaw ko doon.
Jentalo ko sa itaplay ka doon.
My grandson, Nathan get up. I'm naked doon.
Questions, Dr. Redden? Don't have any questions you want to ask? Okay, all of us can go on. But don't you get yours?